Hi and welcome to the short tutorial. In this video I will show you how to fix try again later on the Instagram. So if you are facing this error on the Instagram, watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure. And if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So first of all, make sure you are connected with the internet, like you are using the Wi-Fi internet or the mobile data internet that is strong enough to log into your Instagram account. If you have checked it and still you are facing this problem, simply you have to tap a while on the Instagram application, click on this info button, and once you will open it, here you will see storage and the cache. And once you will do it, simply click on the clear cache right here and try to log into your account. And if still you are facing this problem, simply go back and open your Play Store. Once you will do it, here you have to search for the Instagram. Once you will search for it, now simply update your Instagram from here and try to log in your Instagram account. So these are the few ways. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.